Good morning, students. Today we'll start the expenditure method. It is the third method of measurement of national income. We have already discussed value added method and income method. This expenditure method is also known as income disposal method, or it is to be called that consumption and investment method. What is expenditure method? It is a method which measures the final expenditure on gross domestic product. Final expenditure on gross domestic product. Final expenditure on gross domestic product market price. Final expenditure on gross domestic product market price during an accounting year. During an accounting year. What do we mean by accounting year? You have already known. The year which starts from the 1st April and ends with the next 31st March, next year of 31st March. We have already known one man's income, another man's expenditure. One man's income, another man's expenditures. And we have already discussed factor cost and market price. When a producer produces the product, whenever here he is using that land, labor, capital, then in the process of the production, what the cost of production of the factory or factor is to be known as the factor cost. And after the production, there are some taxes. These are the indirect taxes. So that is imposed on that factor cost. So factor cost plus indirect taxes. After imposing the taxes on behalf of the government, sometimes government also gives that subsidies. If there is no subsidies, let if that subsidy 0, then factor cost plus indirect taxes, that was the price which is sold in the market. If the government imposes the subsidies, then that subsidies is to be deducted. So minus subsidies. Then we will get that market price, at what prices the goods are to be sold in the market. So whenever goods are sold to the market, so many people, they purchase the goods from the market. So that is the expenditure of that individual. We have already known there are 4 categorized economic units. One is household, we have already discussed. Number is that, next number is that producing sector. And third is that government sector. And fourth is that ROW, rest of the world. We have already known household, farms, government and rest of the world. We have already known like this 4 sector of the circular flow of income. We have already known. So these are the four categories of economy. They are spending that money to purchase the goods or services, as well as the investment to produce that maximum outputs. So these kinds of expenditure, whenever we add, that is to be called that national income. That is that meaning of that expenditure method. So it is to be called also income disposal methods, which way we are spending that money, or consumption and investment methods. So what is the expenditure method? It is the final expenditure on GDP market price during an accounting year. It is that aggregate final expenditures. It is that also aggregate final expenditures. Aggregate final expenditures. So whenever the goods are to be purchased by the consumer, either maybe the household, either maybe the produce sector, either maybe the government sector, or the anybody else of the rest of the world, they are purchasing the goods, means they are expending the money. So if all the expenditures are to be included or added, then that is to be called that also one kind of national income. That is to be called that, or not that unallocated factor cost. I'll discuss whether it is that NDP or NP. If the net factor income from abroad is not included, then it will be the NDP at market price. So expenditure method is that NDP at market price. Remember it, value added is that GDP market price, and income method is that NDP market price, NDP at factor cost, or here is that expenditure method. If we deduct that depreciation, then it is the NDP market price. Otherwise, plainly if we find out, it is the GDP at market price. I will go in detail. So what is that expenditure method? We concluded that all kinds of final or aggregate expenditure by the different categories of units are to be called that final expenditure. According to expenditure method, GDP market price is the aggregate of all the final expenditure in an economy during an accounting year. What did I say? What is expenditure methods? It is that aggregate final expenditure. Aggregate final expenditure. Aggregate final expenditure, which is to be called that GDP market price in an economy in an accounting year. That is to be called that expenditure method. So during that accounting year, if Y is the national income, Y is the income, or that we will say that national income. So what are the expenditures are incurred by that different people or by different heads? So if we calculate, one is that whenever we are purchasing the goods and services, that is called that consumption expenditure. Day-to-day requirements of goods we are purchasing. Besides this, there is also investment expenditure. And this consumption expenditure and investment expenditure, it is by the households, farm, and also government. It means this consumption expenditure and investment expenditure both by the private and the government. So we may write here that consumption plus investment plus government expenditure. Besides this, it is private consumption expenditure, private investment in expenditures, government consumption expenditure, government investment expenditures. Besides this, after the production, the excess production are to be sold in that foreign country, which is to be called that export. X is to be here that exports, and we are also purchasing or the importing goods from other foreign countries. The difference whatever may be X minus M, that is export minus imports, which are to be called that our income. Consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus X minus M, or net export. This X minus M is to be known as that net export. So that Y equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. According to this expenditure method, composition of GDP at market price. First one is the final consumption expenditure. Final consumption expenditure. It means individual also purchase the goods, government also purchase the goods. And second is that, what did I say, investment. That investment is to be known as here gross domestic capital formation. And third one, which is to be called that net export. This final consumption expenditure, again it is divided into two parts. One is that private final consumption expenditure, and number two is that government final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditures, government final consumption expenditures. To measure this private final consumption expenditure, the volume of final sales of the durable goods, semi-durable goods, non-durable goods and services to the consumer, household and non-profit institution serving household is multiplied by the retail price. We have already known consumer goods, semi-durable, durable. We have also known. So consumer goods, durable goods, semi-durable goods, non-durable goods, or services. We are expending for this type of goods, and these goods, whenever we are purchasing whatever the goods into the retail price, that is to be called that private final consumptions. The direct purchase of private person, whenever they are spending that money in these heads, or they are purchasing that goods from the market with the retail price, then that is to be called that private final consumption expenditures. So the direct purchase of non-resident households made abroad or added. The direct purchase of non-resident households in the domestic market is not accounted. Whatever it may be, if the numerical problem comes, either the question is to given private final consumption expenditure this much, or consumer goods expenditure, durable goods expenditure, semi-durable goods expenditure, non-durable goods expenditures, like this. That example is given: goods and services. Next one, government final consumption expenditures. Government final consumption expenditure is estimated. Similarly, the total expenditure by the government for producing the various services. Government expenditures. What are the heads of the government expenditures? Like health, education, defense, etc. So these are the different kinds of expenditures incurred by the governments: health, education, defense. The expenditure on that compensation of employees. These are the heads of the government final expenditures. Besides this, government purchase from abroad, like different defense equipments, arms and ammunitions. Whenever the government purchasing from that foreign country, these expenditure are to be known as the government final consumption expenditures.